Thank you. My name is Merid Nigussie. I am a software engineering lecturer at Addis Ababa Science and Technology, and I'm going to present on a paper titled Logistics and Customs Digitalization Practice Assessment using Technology Acceptance Model. When we come to see the theoretical background of this paper, the nowadays digital transformation is reshaping how customs operations are conducted globally and nationally, and it is recognized as a fundamental catalyst for development, and it is critical for national competitiveness. Despite the potential of digitalization or digital transformations, there are considerable challenges that customs authorities are nationally and globally facing. Among of those challenges, there are digital skill gaps, cybersecurity threats, there are digital leadership, and a lack of system-to-system integration, in which there is a lack of seamless data flow between digital systems. So to harness the potential of digitalization, it is important to understand the end-user perception on the importance and easy usage of digital technologies being implemented and operated by customs authorities. So this study tries to contribute for a better understanding of customs digitalization trends by applying and analyzing technology acceptance factors or determinants. Specifically, we have used 3 determinants. So TAM is a generic model, and it is being in use since 1980s, and it is used to understanding and predicting of how people accept and use digital technologies being implemented by respective specifically by the respective institution. So when we come to the relevance and the scope of this paper to the customs authorities, just when the customs authorities try to implement or integrate Industry 4.0 technologies, or what we call emerging technologies such as cloud computing, enhanced digitalization, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, these technologies plays an important role to facilitate unrestricted movement of goods, means international trade facilitation, and movement of people across the border. So aside the importance of this technology, it's necessary to validate the customs digitalization administration, how the digital platform are operated, and usage practice through proven and tested model. Specifically, we have used a valid model or tested model, which is technology acceptance model. So the main purpose of this study is to apply technology acceptance model determinants which are perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, user satisfaction on technology. So the scope is aimed to assess the perception of Ethiopian Customs Commission technology users using technology acceptance model or determinants. When we come to the methodology we have used both quantitative and qualitative approach. Specifically, we have surveyed around 384 logistic service users, service providers, which are external system users. Then we have surveyed around 238 customs employees, these are internal system users. Totally, we got a response of 622 valid respondents. The survey focused on digital technologies implemented by Ethiopian Customs Commission. Then the target groups are both the internal system users and the external system users. So specifically, we have designed subjective questions based on the technology acceptance determinants. We have tried to review a literature on digitalization, digital transformation, logistics and customs digitalization. Specifically, we reviewed a paper on technology acceptance model and it is determinants. So when we come to the analysis and result part, we do have 2 categories, just external users and internal system users. Then specifically, we have scaled our mean value into 7-point scale. Then we have segmented or categorized the mean value into 3 categories, which is low, medium, and high perception. So when we come to the result of external system users, the term mean value is very low, specifically for external system users. Then when we come to the internal system user, relatively this one is very positive, and that is high. So when we come to see the common finding is just we have noticed that the determinant response is correlated just for both categories. The response is relatively related. So just the finding indicates that the perceived perceived usefulness and ease of use significantly influence the acceptance and effective utilization of digital technologies. So when we come to discussion and the conclusion, technology acceptance factors are very relevant for user perception assessment and to understand the custom digital technology implementation and the usage. It helps us to understand the attitude, what the end users think on a specific digital technology being operated and implemented by customs authorities. So the analysis supports that the view that customs authorities that want to implement sustainable digital technologies, they need to exert effort to assess their current digital practice by using technology acceptance determinants, in which it helps them to exploit what end users think about specific digital technology being implemented. So the determinants are were positively correlated, just as you are watching, they are correlated. Then the determinants were positively correlated. This implies that users who believe that the technology in use are easy to use and useful are more likely to be satisfied with the technologies. So in conclusion, learning user perception helps customs authorities to better navigate the digital transformation journey to ensure successful implementation and sustainable digital platform implementation. So this study underscores that the importance of using technology acceptance model to enhance the technology usage and acceptance, as well as to increase the user satisfaction. So if you want to read the detail of this publication, you can visit this link. Thank you.